It's now been 3 years since I started my underground tunnel system. This is a recap. I started by cutting an opening in the basement wall and mining downward into the unknown. Initially planned to build a small storm shelter, but it turns out mining is fun. And the solid rock made excavations safer than expected. I fabricated an elevator hopper to lift it to the surface. 200 tons so far. Shoved the cobblestone into double chests. I mean dumpsters. As the mine stretched deeper, I had to consider utilities and support. I laid a mile of rebar, placed blocks, and poured over 40 cubic yards of concrete, some mixed by hand, some pumped by truck. Installed a pump system, communications, air management, and electrical fit to run a mine. At 21 feet in depth, I discovered a layer of useful stone perfect for castle building, but exhausted it before getting enough. I'm still searching for another layer. Some of the rock needed blasting, and I was able to break it up with Dexpan expanding grout, which was suggested by a follower. In fact, the community has provided a lot of useful input that helped me improve all of my work. The first section of tunnel was completed in the summer of 23 with a block wall and poured concrete ceiling. I set up a steel form to support the arch. This section stretches 30 feet down to the antechamber. The antechamber was poured in 2 parts, the walls and then the ceiling. I had trouble with the wall and one of the forms failed, but it was a learning experience. I set up better supports for the ceiling and was just about to pour when I was stopped in my tracks.
We have some complaints. Basically, there's some construction going on.
The project was shut down in December of 23 due to lack of permits, and I spent the next year going through the administrative process and putting together documents, plans, reports, and calculations. After gargantuan effort and expense, I finally got approved to continue. Since the approval, I completed pouring the ceiling of the entrance antechamber and continued working on the lower section of the tunnel. I plan to finish off what I have so far and apply for a massive extension.